Welcome everyone. Welcome in my channel. Let us learn with Hema Date. Today we are going to learn construction of a triangle if perimeter and base angles are given. Class 9th subject mathematics NCERT chapter 11 construction. So let's start. First of all, I am drawing a line segment XY 11 centimeters. We can also draw a ray and cut 11 centimeters on it and name it XY. But here I have directly drawn a line segment and it has two endpoints XY and it is 11 centimeter long. Now at point X we will construct an angle of 30 degree, but right now I am drawing angle of 30 degree at X and angle of 90 degree at point Y using protractor. But in exams or test you have to construct the given angles. Now I have drawn an angle of 90 degree and an angle of 30 degree. This is angle of 30 degree and this is a right angle. Now next step of our construction is we will construct angle bisector of angle 30 degree and angle 90 degree. So you know the steps of construction of angle bisector. You can see we'll join the intersection point and this is the angle bisector of angle 30 degree, means each part is 15 degree. Now we'll construct angle bisector of 90 degree. You can see how I am doing. We'll get a point of intersection. We'll join this point of intersection with Y and this will be the angle bisector of 90 degree. Each part is 45 degree now. And this point of intersection of angle bisector is A, which is one of the vertices of our required triangle. Now you can see a line segment XA. We will draw a perpendicular bisector of XA. X as a center and radius more than half of the length of XA. We will draw two arcs on both sides of XA. We will repeat the process with center A. With same radius, we'll cut the previous arcs. We'll get 2 points and we'll join both the points. This line is the perpendicular bisector of XA. Now we will draw perpendicular bisector of AY. Y as center and radius more than half of the length of AY. We will draw two arcs on both sides of AY. Now with center A and with same radius we'll cut both the previous arcs and we will get 2 points. We'll join both the points. This is the perpendicular bisector of AY. Now these both perpendicular bisectors are intersecting XY at 2 points. So the first point I am naming it B and joining B with A, and the next point I am giving the name C and joining AC. I am making the leftover part with red, and this is the required triangle. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Angle B is 30 degree and angle C is 90 degree. Now let's see the justification for our construction. Triangle XPB is congruent to triangle APB by SAS congruence condition. Therefore, XB is equal to AP. Similarly, in triangle ACQ is congruent to triangle YCQ by SAS congruence condition. Therefore, AC is equal to CY by CPCT. We know that XB plus BC plus CY is equal to 11 centimeter. So, perimeter of triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11 centimeter. Can replace XB with AB and CY with AC, and we will get the perimeter of triangle is AB plus BC plus AC is equal to 11 centimeter. Now let's see the measurements of the base angles of the triangle we have constructed just now. In triangle XAB, we see that angle AXB plus angle YAB is equal to exterior angle ABC. We know that the sum of the interior opposite angles in a triangle is equal to exterior angle. Angle AXB and angle XAB are equal and each measures 15 degrees, so exterior angle ABC will be 30 degrees. Angle AXB and angle XAB are equal by corresponding parts of congruent triangles because triangle PXB is congruent to triangle PAB. Similarly, in triangle ACY, angle AYC plus angle CAY is equal to exterior angle ACB. Here also we have used the same property that in a triangle the sum of interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. Angle AYC plus angle CAY are equal and each measures 45 degrees, so angle ACB will be 90 degree. Here is the image of the construction of triangle ABC. Here you can see the justification for the base angles and the sides of the triangle we have constructed. Here we have the steps of construction. Here you can see the justification for the sides of the triangle we have constructed. Thank you for watching my channel. Let us learn with Hima Date. Please do like, share and subscribe if it helps you. And happy learning!